What's up, YouTube? I'm Joel Wanasek with Unstoppable Recording Machine, and today I'm going to show you how to use the glitch effect on guitars in metal songs. Now, this is really popular, especially in metalcore. You hear a lot of bands do this using different types of glitching and things like that, and it's pretty easy to do and a lot of fun, and is 100% open to your creativity. Once you kind of get the technique of how to do it, it's pretty much unlimited on what you can do. So let's take a listen here to this song. The band has a radio guitar filter build up here, and then they want to glitch this little section that leads into the beginning of the song. So let's have a listen. So let's say that the band wanted to glitch this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some DIs, and you can put them on any channel that you want to. And we're just going to cut out a teeny little piece of the DI. And I'm going to just move them down to the lo-fi track because it's slightly a different tone to offer some differentiation. So what you can do is just cut out a slice. So let's say we want to have a repeating glitch. So we're just going to take that slice, and I've got it set to 32nd note, and we're just going to, you could always pull a couple of these out of here and just experiment with random patterns. That sounds pretty crazy, but it just, again, to show you what you can do. Now we could elongate this to like a 16th note and see what that sounds like. Maybe you could put a pattern into it. Oops, didn't want to delete that. Again, whatever you think sounds cool. You could alternate left, right like this. There's so many different ways to glitch, and it's 100%. That sounds ridiculous and not cool at all. But again, this is just to show you how easy it is to do it. Now, you can do this on a real amp too, as well as a DI. So let's just say we want to take the notes and glitch out the second half of them. So I'm going to go and just pull the tails off of each and make them a 16th note long. That sounds kind of silly, but let's go like this and do 4 on a stutter here of each note and see what that sounds like. That sounds like some pixelated crazy stuff. So as you can see, glitching is really easy and a lot of fun to experiment with. It's not hard. I think my favorite was the one that just did this. Let's make it even crazier and, oops. Let's make it even crazier and come in here and increase the speed halfway through to a 64th and do this. And then maybe randomize it just for fun and to confuse people. Some people are into that stuff. So there you go. That's how you make glitches. They're easy to do. You can put them in a lot of different places in songs, and you can play with panning. You can put different effects on them. For example, if we wanted to make something really crazy, we could, for example, maybe automate a reverb. So I'm just going to open up RoomWorks here and automate this. Wait, hold on. Let me just get like some crazy setting. Helms Deep obviously is cool, so let's use that and then just automate this in. And turn that up a little bit. So it adds a little bit of ambience. Again, it's really limitless what you want to do. Or maybe another cool thing that you might hear often is people like to bit crush glitches. So let's take a bit crusher on this and just automate that up. I'm just going to go like this. Click right and move the knob. And then I'm going to just time align this a little bit so it's better. And adjust the bit depth and bring it down. There you go. So as you can see, like I said, it's endless, all the cool stuff you can do, but this is how you do glitches. A little bit of reverb, a little bit of bit crush. Check it out. That was a little bit too extreme. Let me try that again. So there you have it. Real simple, real fun, and sounds pretty cool. Bands love that stuff, so it pays to get really good at writing post-production like this. So if you like these types of videos, let me know what types of post-production tricks you want to see explained. Leave it in the comments, and I'll be happy to make videos on them to show you how to do them. Please click like and subscribe to our channel here because we have tons of great mixing videos for you. Thank you so much, and happy glitching.